Hey, Dad, I'm coming at you with a brand new Maybe's podcast skit. You know how humans always accidentally show up to the hotel and scare our guests? Well, I had an idea to keep them away. The human-monster treaty prevents us from using weapons. But we can use the power of horrible sound. Pedro's never taken a trumpet lesson in his life. Let's say this ice cream cake is the hotel. Watch as we ward off humans with his terrible trumpet noise. We hooked one! Now, Pedro! My ears are being attacked! This is gonna work for sure!
That music reminds me of my college band, Brassa Nova. Trumpets and wild-grown ice cream cake? Yes!
Don't worry, the cake, aka hotel, is totally safe. Pedro, play worse! How can he stand it?
O'Donnell, sweetie! Who broke my favorite teacup? I know it was you, Donald.
Well, Dad, the good news is we found a sound that repels humans. Unfortunately, it works on us too.